Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Aulia Malika Hidayat. You can call me Aul. I am grade 3, class 3 of B. I want to tell you how to make my recycled toy transportation craft. I need materials: 10 straws, 7 unused bottle caps, 1 unused plastic spoon, scissor, glue gun, double tip, marker, foam, pitchfork, sewing needle, and sewing thread. I want to show you how to make it. First, make 2 car tires, front wheel and rear wheel, using 4 unused bottle caps with double tip. Second, manufacture a front arm and handlebar using 2 straws. Stick using glue gun 2 car tires. Third, install tank using the unused bottle cap. 4, manufacture a flower body frame using 2 straws. Five, make machine gluing using unused 1 bottle cap and little straw. 6, manufacture of body frame using 2 straws. 7, rear wheel installation. 8, rear spakbor using unused 1 plastic spoon. 9, rear shock breaker using 2 little straw. 10, seat making using foam and pitchfork with sewing needle and sewing thread. 11, rear light installation using little straws. 12, left and right exhaust installation using 2 straws. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.